Hello guys, I am Vishal Bagel of MTech IIPS TAVV. Today I am explaining the topic load balancing. So what is load balancing? Load balancing is a computer networking method to distribute workload across multiple computers or multiple number of servers or disk drives. So, so to explain the load balancing, we take the example of like Amazon. In Amazon, there are number of requests hitting at the same time on the server. So to achieve each request, we need load balancing. So the each request is transmitted to each number of server through the load balancing. So we achieve the each and every request in a proper and correct method. What are the features of load balancing? Suppose we have the sale on Amazon and we have to add and remove the servers in the network. So easy of use in addition and removing servers in the network as per demand. And during the sale, the durability incoming traffic to the network by efficiently durability across multiple servers. And reliability and high availability is maintained by recording requests only to the server which are available, and by that we achieve the goals like achieve optimal resource utility, maximum throughput, minimum response time, avoid overloading and avoid crashing. So why so why to load balance? Easy to administrate and maintain, easy and transmitly remove physical server from rotation in order to perform any type of maintenance on the server. Resource sharing can run multiple instances of an application service on a server can load balance two different parts based on data analyzed. So here comes the types of load balancing. There are two types, static load balancing and dynamic load balancing. So what is static load balancing? It is the type of load balancing which is often referred to as the mapping problem. The task is to map a static process graph onto a fixed hardware topology in order to minimize deletion and processes load differences. Dynamic load balancing. It is desirable in a distributed system to have the system load balanced evenly among the nodes so that the means job response time is minimized. So here come the load balancing algorithm. So there are three types of load balancing algorithm like round robin algorithm, least connection algorithm, and IP hashing algorithm or optimal IP hashing. Round robin. In this, there are the requests generated, so they are sequentially distributed, each request in distributed manner. Least connection. Request sent to the least used server in the network. And IP hashing request sent to the server based on the client IP. So, round robin, a simple method of load balancing server. Multiple identical servers are connected to provide the same server. All are confined to the same internet domain name, but each has a unique IP addresses that are associated with the internet domain name are received. The addresses are written in a rotating sequence manner. So in this, the client request distributed evenly on each server in round robin. Then the least connection. The least connection method does take the current request goes to the server that is servicing the last number of active session at the current time. So the next request to the device with faciest open channel. So each request is goes to the finest open connections. Now source IP hashing. The algorithm combines source and distribution IP addresses of the client to a particular server as the key can be regarded if the session is broken it was using previously. This is this is useful if important that a client should connect to a session that is still active after a disconnection. So in this the one session is broken so the client still connect the active session after a disconnection or it is still active after a disconnection. Thank you.